Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common but often confusing Unix error message, conflicting values set for option SignedBy regarding source. This error can pop up when you're trying to update your system or install new software, especially on Debian-based systems like Ubuntu, and it essentially means your system is confused about who should be allowed to sign packages from a specific software source. Let's break this down. First, what is SignedBy? In simple terms, SignedBy is a security option used in your system's package manager, like apt on Debian or Ubuntu. It tells your system which cryptographic key is expected to sign the packages coming from a particular software repository. Think of it like a digital signature or a stamp of authenticity. This feature ensures that the software you download and install comes from a trusted source and hasn't been tampered with by malicious actors. It's a crucial part of keeping your system secure. Now, why do you get conflicting values? This error arises when your system finds more than one instruction for the SignedBy option for the same software source or repository. It's like having two different sets of rules for the same thing. The source part of the error message typically points to the specific repository entry that's causing the problem. There are a few common reasons for these conflicts. One scenario is having duplicate repository entries. You might have added the same repository twice, perhaps once manually and once through a script or a GUI tool. Each entry might then have a different SignedBy instruction, or one might have it and the other might not. Another common cause is when a repository changes its signing key. If you update a third-party repository and don't properly remove the old repository line or key information, your system might end up with conflicting SignedBy directives pointing to both the old and new keys for the same source. This can also happen if repository definition files in /etc/apt/sources.list and /etc/apt/sources.list.d/ have conflicting information for the same source. To fix this, you need to identify and resolve the duplicate or conflicting entries. The error message usually provides clues about which repository is causing the issue. Your first step is to carefully examine your repository configuration files. Start by checking /etc/apt/sources.list. You can use a command like sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list to open it. Look for any lines that seem to refer to the same external software source. Next, check the directory /etc/apt/sources.list.d/. This directory often contains individual .list files for each added repository. You can list the files with ls/etc/apt/sources.list.d/ and then inspect each one using sudo nano or cat. Look for the problematic repository. You'll be searching for lines that define the repository and specifically for the SignedBy equals part. If you find duplicate entries for the same repository URL, or if you find the same repository defined in different files with different SignedBy options, you need to consolidate them. Decide which SignedBy instruction is the correct and most up-to-date one. Usually, this information is provided by the repository's official documentation. Once you've identified the redundant or incorrect entries, carefully comment them out by placing a hashtag at the beginning of the line, or delete them entirely. Make sure you only have one correct and consistent entry for each repository. After making these changes, save the files and then run sudo apt update in your terminal. This command will refresh your package lists and should now run without the conflicting values error. Thank you so much for watching and learning how to tackle this common Unix issue. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next one.